Alright, I'm just showing this video because I was looking for some speakers to fit the rear doors of my 98 Tahoe, and these were the ones that I found that does a good job so far that I seen as far as fitment go, because you have to have at least a 2-inch mounting depth on your speaker, which I'll show you in the book here. It says it right here. It's a 2-inch mounting depth. That's without the grill on it. So the important part was to get this part to fit. So that's what this is. I got the DS18s S65 and this is what came out of the Tahoe. This is the speaker that came out of it, the old stock stuff. Still try to go for the 4 ohms. I'm going for the 4 ohms, but you can't really tell, but they pretty much they're the same size. But this one had a little piece of foam on the back. That little piece of foam right there was on the back to stop it from touching the metal. But this is the door, and I know a lot of people on YouTube was taking it off, take the whole door panel off, but you don't have to do that. What you could do is get you something like this, and you can go into the door, and you go out to the side. That's it. It's coming out, no problem, right? Got the door panel off, with the speaker grill off, and then here you just remove these 4 black tabs right here. It's plastic. You pull them out. You can get a screwdriver and remove them, or you can get a pair of needle nose pliers, whichever you have on hand or you're comfortable using. You can do that like that, and you can just pinch these out, and this is what you're dealing with. So take out 4 of those, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you can mount your new speaker in after you put your wires on there, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I'm done taking the speaker out. Alright, well, all 4 pieces removed, you can just pull the speaker right out the door, just like that. No pressure. Unclip the clip. Press this button in, and you slide it out. Put it on these wires, but that's how it come out. And this speaker actually still was working, but I just wanted to change it because this is the only speaker working. Alright, so the speaker is off, and just to keep it, the point of the video was to show you that these speakers actually fit inside the door, just like the other ones did that just came out. I'm not a speaker or a music guru or nothing like that. All I wanted was my music to work, and changing my speakers helped me do that. So let me show you right quick how it looks. Alright, this is speaker in the door. It's gonna be flush like this factory one was, and there go your mounting holes inside where you can put your plastic pins again. You can put your plastic pins inside. So that is DS18s right here, and that's gonna be the S55 6.5 2 ways. Now I do have in the front. I do have DS18s as well, and those are the 4 ohm 300 watt each one, but they have bigger magnets, and those fit very well as well. And they like just clear that window when you let the window down in front, but they do work. They do sound good, and I was satisfied with just the 2 fronts done, but I did the backs too just to keep me something going. Now the ones in the back, the 4x10 ones, I didn't do those yet, so maybe if I do them I'll show you a video. But to show you, if you wanted to put door speakers in the back and you couldn't find nothing that fit, remember you can find something that's 2 inches mounting depth or shorter. So you can go with a 178, you can go with a 1.5, whatever you want to do. But I know I tried to go with the max, so I got the 2-inch mounting depth. Good thing GS18 sold it, and now you know where to get it from. I'll drop a link in the bottom. Thank you.